First things first, what exactly is a 30-day writing challenge? Well, it's a structured exercise where you commit to writing every day for 30 consecutive days. Whether you follow daily prompts or set your own goals, the main idea is to write consistently. The benefits of a 30-day writing challenge are immense. Writing daily helps you build a strong writing habit, making it easier to integrate writing into your routine. It also enhances your creativity as you engage with new ideas and themes regularly. You'll notice improvements in your writing skills, including better grammar, a richer vocabulary, and a more refined writing technique. Plus, setting and achieving daily writing goals can significantly boost your productivity and confidence. And let's not forget the incredible sense of accomplishment you'll feel after completing the challenge. Knowing you committed to and finished a goal is deeply satisfying. So, how can you participate? Here's a simple guide. Set clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's a word count, a finished piece, or just the act of writing daily. Choose your medium. Will you write in a journal, on a computer, or using a specific app? Find prompts, use online resources, books, or create your own based on your interests. Create a schedule. Dedicate a specific time each day for writing. Track your progress. Keep a log of your daily writing. Join a community. Participate with others who are doing the challenge. Share your work. Get feedback and stay motivated. Reflect and adjust. Review your progress weekly and make necessary adjustments. Remember, the key is consistency. Stick to your schedule as closely as possible and don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day. Just get back on track and keep going. I encourage you all to commit to this challenge. The benefits are well worth the effort. Share your goals and progress in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. Thanks for watching the Writing Community Chat Show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more writing tips and inspiration. Bye for now.